What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be going over TBLT, and the stock ticker. We'll be going over the 15-minute chart here. As we can see in pre-market, this shaded area towards the market open, there was some little action here. It did manage to break above the VWAP, and we can see that it ran from about 53 cents all the way up to 65.50 today. So definitely a good extended move here. We can see, like I was saying, it did break above the VWAP, pulled back, found support on the moving average here, and managed to push much higher throughout the day. And in after hours, we can see that it did reach a high of 70 cents before pulling back to where it is now at 65 or 66 cents here. So I did not see any news or any fundamental reason why this would have pushed higher today specifically. If I'm wrong, please leave a comment below and let me know. I appreciate it. I don't mind you fixing my mistake, but I could not find anything personally. But that doesn't mean that this has no reason to go. It could have been just pure chart technicals, because we can see it did break above this resistance here at 55 cents, which could have been very well the reason why it took off, because as we can see, it did come back down to retest this exact level of support here, and it did manage to hold strong with this reversal candle here, as we can see. And then it pushed higher, reversal candle here, and then just exploded. So very interesting. What we're going to do is draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance. We'll go ahead and put it at 70 cents. We'll go ahead and use the after hours resistance up here, just so we get a good idea of what will happen tomorrow. We'll go ahead and put our support here at about 64.50 cents, and then we'll go ahead and put our median right here at about 63.30. Now, I do want to say the share float of this stock is 12.39 million, so it is below our optimum of 30 million or less. That's good. So it doesn't take that much volume to push this thing really high or really low, really fast, right? So that's what we want to see if we're looking for big volatile moves. So let's go ahead and zoom in real quick. Now what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for a bullish play on this one. We are sitting below the median here, but above the moving average, so definitely take that in mind, into consideration. I'm sure we'll just range inside this zone until market open tomorrow. But regardless, what I'm going to be looking for is I want to see that momentum return. In order for me to be able to take a bullish trade on this, I'm going to have my alert set at 70 cents, so that way if it does cross there, then I'll know exactly when that happens. I'll be ready right away. I'll be looking for it. The next thing I'm looking for is I want to see a retest off that 70 cent zone here. I want to see a break. I want to see it come back, retest, stabilize. Basically just how it did here, how it broke through, came down, stabilized with that reversal candle, pushed up with some bullish volume, and then did the same here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, is a break above 70 cents and stabilization. Once I see that, once I have that confluence, I check level 2. There's no more sellers. There's only buyers that I see. Then I have my order ready right above that pullback point, wherever it is. In this example, it's right here. And then when that momentum does return, I ride it up to this next resistance up here at about 75 cents. So this is the bullish play that I'll be looking for tomorrow. 70 cents is the main level that I'll be watching, because a break above that will be crucial. Now, I know many people aren't shorting this stock. I'm personally not. I'm going to be looking for a bullish play in this one. But if you are planning to short this stock, then definitely pay attention for some good education. And for people who aren't shorting, which is most people, which is fine, that's totally fine. It's good for you to learn at least what people who are shorting are looking for. This is exactly what they're going to be looking for. The first thing is they're going to want to see a break below 64.50 here. Once that happens, have an alert set here, whatever the case may be if you're shorting. Once that happens, the next thing we're going to look for is to see if we can find any support here. If we do, we'll want to see this retest off the 6450 to see if we're breaking back up or if we're getting rejected here. If we do manage to get rejected and there's bearish, volume, there's bearish candle, reversal candles, there's multiple things going on, you obviously have to work that in your own strategy. Once you get that confluence going, again, if you're shorting, what I would do is have my order ready once I got that triple confirmation, once it's breaking back lower, and then once it does break through, I write it down to this next support, which would be right around here at 59, 60 cent area, because I'm sure the VWAP will swing in here, and then I'm sure, we'll see a repeat. We'll see either A, it's going to find support on this VWAP here, or it's going to be rejected. And let me fix this, because I meant that we definitely want to see it break if we were shorting again. Sorry if you lost me, but this is only something you want to pay attention to if you're trying to learn how to short stocks. So again, this is the main short here, like level at the 6450. We want to see a break there. We'd have an alert set there. When that bearish momentum kicks back in, we already have our order ready. We ride it down to this next support down here at 59.60. Now, if we were trying to sell 3/4 of position, hold it, whatever your strategy calls for, I'd watch for the break, see if we break below the VWAP, or if we do hold, or if we do find support here. And if we did get rejected, I would definitely watch out for another possible short there, because when you do get rejected below the VWAP, people like to panic and sell very fast because people are underwater. And those are definitely things that I would watch out for. So this is the main plays up here. I just wanted to explain this to you, that how the VWAP works a little bit, in my eyes anyways. So I hope this video did help you. Definitely watch level 70 and watch level 6450. If this video did help you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Click the bell notification, that way you get a new notification every time a new video comes out. I really appreciate it. Share it with your friends on Facebook, StockTwits, Twitter, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.